Hello everyone, welcome back to online class. I am Renuka Malipatil from Upper Public School, CBSE, Kalburgi. I am handling social studies for class 3. Yes children, in previous class we had revision on lesson number 7, India Political. Yes, lesson number 7, India Political. In that what we have discussed? We discussed about neighboring countries of India, the meaning of subcontinent, political divisions of India. In the political divisions of India, we discussed about the states, yes, and about the union territories. Union territories. Yes. How many states are there in India, children? There are 28 states are there. And how many union territories are there? There are 8 union territories are there in India. Yes, children? In today's class, we are going to discuss about the government of India. Yes, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the government of India. Let us start. Government of India. Yes. Before going to start Government of India, can you tell me what is the meaning of government, children? Yes. The government is a group of people that is responsible for managing the matters of a country or a state. What is the meaning of government, children? The group of people, yes, the group of people are responsible for managing the matters of a country, or a state. Yes, is the definition of the government. What is the meaning of the government, children? The group of people. Yes, the group of people means more than one person. The group of people are responsible for managing the matters of a country or a state. The group of people that is responsible for managing the matters of a country or a state. This is called government. Yes. Next, in the government, there are how many levels are there? 2. There are mainly, it has 2 main levels. How many levels? It is having, there are in the government of India 2 main levels. Yes. Which are those? You can see here, children. In the government of India, it is having 2 main levels. One is central government, another one is state government. Yes, the state government, see, each state is having its own government. Each state is having its own government, but the union territories are directly governed by whom? By the central government. Yes, the state union territories are directly governed by whom? Governed by whom, children? By the central government. By the central government. Yes. by the central government. See, in the government of India, what is the meaning of government, children? The group of people that is responsible. Yes, we can say are also, or we can write, see, the group of people that is, okay, the group of people that is responsible for managing the matters of a country or a state. And India has, the government of India is having two main levels. Which are those? One is central government and another one is the state government. And each state is having its own government, but the union territory is directly governed by the central government. Yes. Next. Next. See, union territories are directly governed by the central government. Now, next. All the important houses, government houses are located in New Delhi. Yes, New Delhi. All the important government houses are located in New Delhi since it is the capital of India. Since it is the capital of India. Yes, children? See, after the all the important government houses are where does the important government houses are located means in the New Delhi since it is the capital of India. Yes. Shall I move to the next? Where does all the important government houses are located, children? In New Delhi, since it is the capital of India. Yes. Next, in the central government, the president and prime minister. Yes, president and prime minister. These two are the most important people in the government. Who? The president and prime minister. These two are the most important persons in the government. Who is the president, children? Ramnath Kovind. Yes. Ramnath Kovind is the president of India. Next, who is the prime minister of India, children? Narendra Modi. Yes. Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India. Yes. These two are the most important persons in the central government. Next, India is governed by, see, India, how does India is governed? India is governed by, rules. India is governed by the rules. Yes, children? India is governed by the rules. Which are made in the Parliament House. Yes, Parliament House. Where does the Parliament House is located, children? It is there. It is in New Delhi. Yes. Yes, children. India is governed by the rules which are made in the Parliament House. Where does Parliament House is located? In New Delhi. Yes, children. Next, in the state government, in the state government, chief minister. Yes, who? Chief minister and the governor. Yes, children. The governor. These two are the most important persons in the state government. Who is the chief minister of Karnataka? B.S. Yediyurappa. Yes, B.S. Yediyurappa is the chief minister of Karnataka. Who is the governor, children? Vajubhai Wala. Yes, Vajubhai Wala. These two are the most important persons in the which government? State government. Yes. Next, see. Shall we repeat once again? The president and the prime minister, these two are the most important persons in the central government. Who is the president, children? The Ramnath Kovind is the president of India. Narendra Modi is the prime minister of India. Yes, India is governed by the rules. India is governed by the rules which are made in the Parliament House, which is located in New Delhi. Yes, and in the state government, chief minister and the governor. These two are the most important people in the state government. Who is the chief minister? B.S. Yediyurappa. And who is the governor, children? Vajubhai Wala. These two are the most important people in the state government. Yes. Listen carefully. Yes. This lesson is for FA4. Yes, children. Next, we'll move to the next topic, that is local government. Local government in cities and villages. Yes, we'll study about the local government in cities and villages. Yes, before this, what we have studied, children? Government of India. There are two main levels. One is central government, another one is state government. Yes, each state is having its own government, but the union territories are directly governed by the central government. All the important government houses are located in New Delhi, since it is the capital of India. And the president and prime minister are the most important people in the central government. And chief minister and the governor. Yes, chief minister and governor, these two are the most important people in the state government. Now we'll study about local government in cities and villages. Yes, the local government bodies are responsible for smaller areas like towns and cities. Yes, these are responsible for These are responsible for the smaller areas like small towns and cities. Yes. Yes, children. And in this local government, again we can see three different levels. Yes, we can see three different levels in the local government body. First one is municipal corporations. Yes, one is municipal corporation. The second one is municipalities. Yes, municipalities means nagarapalike. Yes, what we say? Nagarapalike. Yes, children. And the third one is gram panchayat. Gram panchayat. Yes, these are the three different levels in local government. Yes, which is the first one? Municipal corporation. Second one is municipalities, means nagara palike, and the third one is gram panchayat. Yes, children, the big cities. Yes, what they said in the local government, it is responsible for the smaller areas like small towns and cities. But see, in the first one, municipal corporation, these are, see, the big cities are governed by municipal corporation. The big cities are governed by municipal corporation. Yes. Next, the small cities. The small cities are governed by municipalities. The small cities are governed by who? Municipalities, or we can say Nagara Palike. Next, the third one, the Gram Panchayat. The villages are governed by the Gram Panchayat. The villages are governed by the Gram Panchayat. Yes, children? The municipal corporation, it works for the development of a city. Yes, why it works? For the development of a city. Development of a city. And development of a city, they collect tax. Yes, municipal corporation, they collect tax and they get money from the person, the people. Yes, municipalities, it looks after the development of a facilities of people. Facilities of people. Facilities of people. Yes. Next, the Gram Panchayat. The villages are governed by the Gram Panchayat. It looks after the welfare of the people. Welfare of the people. Yes. See, in the local government, cities and villages, yes, the local government bodies are responsible for managing the smaller area like small towns and cities. In this, there are three main levels. The one is municipal corporation, municipalities, and the third one is gram panchayats. The big cities are governed by whom? The big cities are governed by the municipal corporation. It looks up to the development of a city. They collect tax and they get money from the person, and they provide services like healthcare, transport, yes, They provide who? Municipal corporation. They provide services like healthcare, they provide services like a healthcare, education, and transport. Yes, and transport, etc. Yes, who provide these facilities? The municipal corporations. Yes, the big cities are governed by the municipal corporations. It looks after the development of a city and they provide some services which are those, for example, healthcare, education, and transport. These are the examples which services are provided by the municipal corporation. Next, the second one, municipalities, or we can call it as Nagara Palike. The small cities are governed by municipalities, yes, and it looks after the facilities of the people. Facilities of the people. Next, the third one, Gram Panchayat. The villages are governed by the Gram Panchayat and it looks after the welfare of the people. Welfare of the people. Yes, children? In today's class, what we had discussed? Government of India. Yes, in the government of India, what is the meaning of government? The group of people that is responsible for managing the matters of a country or a state. Yes, the meaning of government or and government of India has two main levels. One is central government, another one is state government. Yes, and after that, in the central government, who is responsible for the, who is the most important person is? One is President and Prime Minister. President and Prime Minister are the most important persons in the central government. Yes, and in the state government, Chief Minister and the Governor. Chief Minister and the Governor. These two are the most important persons in the state government, and all the important government houses are located in New Delhi. Yes, children? Next, local government in cities and villages. Yes, the local government bodies are responsible for the smaller areas like towns and cities. In that, again, we can see three different levels: municipal corporation, municipalities, and the Gram Panchayat. Big cities are governed by municipal corporations. The small cities are governed by municipalities and the villages are governed by the Gram Panchayat. Yes, children? Hope you all understood. In the next class, we'll discuss about the remaining part of the lesson. Yes, children? Thank you.